Athena, and welcome back to my channel. I'm not dead. I know I've been super inactive, and it's like kind of a problem. It's just that YouTube's kind of hard for me to keep up with because the videos have to be longer, and yeah. But if you want to know a place where I'm always active, make sure to go follow my Instagram, which will be linked down below. I also have one slime left in my shop and would really appreciate it if you buy. You'll get lots of extras, including a little 3 ounce of slime and some candy. Once again, my Etsy will be linked down below. And comment down below what you want to see in my next restock. I won't have Evergreen fam shoutouts because I just I can't right now. But in my next video, I definitely will have them. So if you want to be part of the Evergreen fam, just like this video, subscribe, and turn post notifications on for my channel. And then you can go down and comment below, #EvergreenFam. So yeah, anyway, as you see from the title, today I've bought from underrated slime shops. I only have 2 of the packages right now, and the other one is coming still. Anyway, but I bought from Bagel Slimes, and these are their Instagram handles. Bagel Slimes, Slime My Gosh, and then I also bought from My Slimes. Her Etsy is My Slime Shop Co. And I'm pretty sure their Etsys are all in their links, but Slime My Gosh has her own website. Sorry for my voice, I'm kind of sick. Anyway, but I bought slimes from each of them. So the Bagel Slimes hasn't come yet. So you're gonna see like a different, there might be a little change of lighting. But anyway, so yeah, let's just like get into the review and like open these packages, and I'll just give a review, I guess. Okay, the first package I will be opening is from Slime My Gosh. It came in a nice bubble mailer with lots of fragile stickers on it. This took 6 days to arrive from when I bought it. I bought cereal milk and strawberry crush. Okay. So first I'm just take out. Okay, so this is all the contents. First thing I'm seeing is, wow. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's a little extras baggie. Also, sorry for my really awkward angle. My tripod broke. Anyway, the lollipop kind of poked through, but that's totally okay. Anyway, it was a very nice little baggie. It came with 2 lollipops, 2 dum-dums. It came with this gorgeous iridescent glitter. This little, what do you call it, business card? And some instructions. A little mermaid charm, which thank you so much. A little borax. And a sticker, it's just adorable. A little borax leaf, like there's a little powder. So I'm just gonna, anyway. And then just came, so it came with 1 8 ounce of strawberry crush, 1 6 ounce of cereal milk, and some extras. Hope you enjoy. It's super kind. So sorry, this is some borax. Okay, so let's just open up strawberry crush. This is a fishbowl. I think it's scented strawberry. I kind of forgot. I was kind of just rushing to buy everything because we were about to go. Okay, I'm incompetent, so I can't open that. So I have my handy dandy scissors. Ugh. Just break through that bubble wrap. Everything came super secure. And wow, that is gorgeous. Okay, it came with a little strawberry charm. And yeah, so opening it up, it's not sticky. And I'm just gonna be quiet and just give some ASMR feels, if you know what I mean. Okay, so this slime came basically not sticky. It's sticking to me right now because my hands are like extremely dry. It's kind of like, almost like, it gives me like jiggly base vibes. As you can see, the beads fall out just a little bit. I personally don't mind. It's kind of just when I stretch it. And it comes with really cute glitters. It smells really good, kind of like fake strawberry, you know, like strawberry candy. Yeah, because this is an honest review, I'm not going to rate it, but I think it's a really thought out, amazing slime. I think I would only recommend making your base maybe with less water, I believe, so the beads can stay in better. The more you play with it, the less they fall out, but it's still just a precaution. Next up, we have cereal milk. This is a 6-ounce thick and glossy slime that is scented like the name, which I'm assuming is cereal milk. Ooh, pretty. Okay. Ooh, gloss. So that's just some quality ASMR. Anyway, this slime came in perfect condition. It smells really good. I wouldn't describe it as cereal milk, but it definitely smells like super, like, it kind of smells fruity to me. Maybe like, not really, but like, I guess you could take a leap and call it a Fruit Loop scent, but I don't know. It arrived in perfect condition. It is very thick and glossy. It has like a very slight amount of jiggle. Like, when I just opened it, you could tell, but I personally don't mind at all, and it is really amazing, and I have no complaints on this slime. In a little 2-ounce container, it looks like it's orange. It looks like a clay slime. I haven't felt it yet. Oh, yeah, I'm correct. I think it has clay in it. That's the vibes it gives me. Okay, so it's very, okay, it smells exactly like an orange dreamsicle or creamsicle, whatever. It smells really good. So again, I apologize for my congested voice. It's like I'm sick, so it's very small and very pretty. And yeah, it's a great extra. Okay, that was my review for Slime My Gosh. Definitely recommend snatching their slimes. Of course, the link of their Instagram and shop will be down below. And yeah, I was really impressed. Everything was very professional. Even their website was just very professional. So yeah, I recommend this slime shop and these slimes. And I know they're having a restock really soon. It might have already happened, but like, yeah. Go check them out. Okay, guys. Next up, we have My Slime Shop. My Slime Shop's Co., but it's My Slimes on Instagram. It came in a big package. I ordered 3 slimes. One of them was a duo. One of them is a 3-ounce. Okay, one's a 2-ounce duo, I believe. One is a 3-ounce normal slime, and then one of them is an 8-ounce. And this is me trying to open the box, which has proved too difficult. Okay, I'm seeing some packaging here. It's like falling out. slimes in there. Oops. This is the 3-ounce slime, I'm assuming. And this is the 8-ounce. And I'm seeing some extras. Okay. Wow. Okay. These are the extras I got. It came with some really nice pre-bottled activator. Oh my god, it came with these like flat blue fishbowl beads. I've wanted these forever. With some slushy beads and some more slushy beads. So yeah, it came all packaged up really nicely. Everything's bubble wrapped. I bought only clear slimes because like that's what they sell. So yeah, let's just do them up. Okay, let's start off with pastel bath water. Okay, clean cable. It looks like a very thick slime. Ooh, oh my god, that's so pretty. Okay, like ASMR time. Anyway, this is pastel bath water, I believe. It is super thick. Well, it's kind of sticky, so let's. But I can tell it's thick. It has like, what do you call them? Like boujou beads. I don't think that's the name. Like those little tiny beads. They're clear and they're really, really small. And they're used for like, I don't know, making slimes look pretty. Anyway, it has them and it has some pastel foam beads. And it's pink. And yeah, so let's just test out this activator. Kind of sticky. Anyway, it's crystal clear. It's just the container's a little translucent, so I might not see. It's a little sticky, but yeah, this is a really good slime. I don't know if it's scented. Okay, it has a really light scent. I forget what it is. But I'll just leave that like right there. I won't say the scent. Anyway, yeah. This is the Rose Trio Duo. Comes with looks like a foam and a jelly cube. I think it's supposed to be scented rose. Not sure, but yeah. So ASMR time. Okay, so I guess we'll just start on this one, the jelly cube. My only complaint is the jelly cubes are really big. So it's kind of hard and awkward, but they're really fun to squish. And yeah, it's a little sticky again. Like, I'm too lazy to activate it. But it's super thick, I can just tell, you know. So yeah, recommended. My only complaint is the jelly cubes are really big and it makes it kind of awkward to play with. This one is perfect. Like, has the perfect, I think they're lightly rose scented. I could be wrong. I do smell something. It is super clear and it just has the perfect amount of beads just to like add decor, and the glitter is super cute. And I really love pink, so like this is a slime. It's really good and I definitely recommend it. found. This is the Seafoam Pearl, and I have seen this slime so much, and I wanted it because it looks so beautiful. And I'm correct. This is a gorgeous slime. Wow, it's a queen. Wow, wow, it is so pretty. It looks thick, and it has the most beautiful beads ever. And like the bubbles going up, so we can just leave that there. Anyway, it has the logo, of course. And then, okay. Ooh, okay. Sister shook. Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm saying okay like way too much. It's a little sticky. She has sticky sister. So I'm just gonna add some activator. This came in a crystal clear container, if I'm correct. So you can really see the clarity. Wow. Okay, ASMR time. Okay, so this slime is gorgeous. It has these like big like beads, as well as these beads. It has those in it, which are cute, and it has like little glitters, and it has those little tiny crystals. Can't find them, but they were there. Anyway, oh, it's still kind of sticky, but because this slime is so big, I don't mind that the atoms are huge, but it's so thick and so clear, and it is supposed to be scented pineapple, so I'll just like, okay, it has a very, very light pineapple scent. It's almost not there, so I would just recommend maybe like over-activating your slimes before they come, but that's an easy fix with activator. And maybe just scenting it a little stronger, because I personally can smell barely nothing, only just like a little tiny tad bit of a scent. Oops. Okay, you can kind of see the crystals. Do you see them? They're like there and there. Yeah. Definitely recommended, and yeah. Okay guys, next up I have my package from Bagel Slimes. Sorry if the lighting's a little different. Again, I told you I filmed this on a later day, but this package took about, I think it was 8 or 9 days to come, which is still pretty good. I'm not showing the package because I didn't have enough time to blur out the names, but okay. This is just the contents. I ordered 2 slimes, and yeah, let's just look at them. Everything came in a nice 3-bubble mailer that I'm kind of just destroying now. Once again, I'm sick, so excuse my voice. I'm pretty sure I bought 2 4-ounces, one called Gingerbread Sorbet, and another one called Gift Wrap. They're kind of hard to get out. Okay, I got them. They looks taped up, and the little extras baggy. But yeah, I feel the cute sticker. Open that up. Okay, I'm gonna thank you so much for purchasing. Slime care sheet. Some, I believe, borax. Piece of taffy, which is nice. And a compression mask. It is for, I have no clue what they are, but I guess I'll look it up later. Anyway, both slimes have very nice bottom labels. Pretty sure gingerbread sorbet is scented gingerbread, and I'm pretty sure gift wrap is unscented. Everything is very securely taped up. This slime looks super gorgeous, and it comes with a charm that is also taped up. Okay, a lot of tape. Okay, so the charm was just taped on, which is really nice. It's really cute, so let's just open up the slime. The slime is really nice. Okay, just my little issues. The slime like kind of sticks to the charm. Like, it's not that bad, but it's just like kind of, it's a little sticky. Well, it's not like sticky, but it's a little sticky for my taste. It is super clicky, super pretty, and a really nice slime. I believe this is 4 ounces, but the containers are very nice. To me, it seems more like maybe a 5 ounce. I think it was 4 ounce, I'm not sure. But yeah, let's just add some activator. It's a really gorgeous metallic slime. And yeah, it's just really pretty and cute. And I really like it. It's a little sticky and my hands are kind of dry right now, so I apologize for that. Yeah, it's a really gorgeous slime, and I really like it. Next up is gingerbread sorbet. Once again, I apologize for my voice, like, so much. I sound so bad right now, but I am sick, so I can't really do anything about it. Once again, everything came very taped up, so yeah. It obviously is packaging tape, so it's like super sticky, but it's good because nothing came with cracks. Oof. And once, oh, sorry, God, this tape is very sticky. Once again, it comes with a little charm of a gingerbread man. Oh, I believe it's gingerbread scented from what I remember. And yeah, let's just open it. Okay, but yeah, this is a very nice slime. I'm pretty sure it's a butter snow texture, which means it has clay and snow. I'm not sure. It has a very nice gingerbread scent. It's a tad bit strong, but I personally don't really care. I don't mind strong scents. Comes with a really cute gingerbread charm. And it's a really nice texture. It is very soft and creamy and spreadable. So yeah, this is definitely a great slime, and I definitely recommend it. Except it might be seasonal, but if she ever brings it back at Christmas time, go snatch it. And really quickly, the slime also inflates, which is like really nice. So like yeah, I love it. Bagel Slimes was definitely a success. I definitely go recommend checking out her shop and Instagram, which will be linked down below as per normal. And yeah, both slimes were very amazing, and I enjoy playing with all the slimes from every single shop I reviewed. They were all under 5,000 followers, and they all had quality shops. So yeah, definitely go check them out. Their Instagrams and shop links will be down below.